A beautiful morning. Here begins the journey of the king of fruits. Freshly picked, hand-harvested with care.
Washed and loaded, ready for the factory.
Tons of durians arrive at our processing plant.
Quality check. Every piece gets sorted.
High-pressure washing ensures complete hygiene.
Clean and pristine.
Brushed to perfection, removing all dirt.
Time to reveal the golden treasure inside.
Expert hands extract the delicate flesh.
Accurately weighed for perfect portions.
Entering the deep freeze tunnel.
Instant flash freezing locks in the flavor.
Frozen solid in minutes.
Preserving that creamy texture perfectly.
Sub-zero temperatures guarantee freshness.
Ready for packaging.
Sealed in ice. Sealed in quality.
Nitrogen freezing creates that perfect frosty bite.
Extreme chill to maintain extreme taste.
Every piece gets the Royal Frost treatment.
Stored perfectly in our massive sub-zero facilities.
Look at that beautiful frost crystal.
Moving down the line for secure packaging.
Automated precision ensures zero damage.
Dropping safely into vacuum bags.
Vacuum sealed to lock in the aroma.
All air removed. Pure durian remains.
Heat sealed securely.
Perfectly packaged every single time.
Optic sensors check for absolute perfection.
Date stamped and ready for the world.
Branded and stamped with our mark of quality.
Piled high, perfectly preserved.
But wait! We also make rich durian puree.
Mashed into a smooth, creamy golden paste.
Mixing vigorously to achieve uniform texture.
Pressure monitored for consistent flow.
strained perfectly, mixing in industrial tanks.
Slow churning makes it velvety smooth.
Whipping it into a flawless golden vortex.
Massive scale production ensures global supply.
Next, we extract the moisture to make powder.
Spread thin and heated on massive trays.
Moisture evaporated, leaving concentrated goodness.
Transformed into pure durian powder.
Sifted to remove any lumps.
Only the finest powder makes the cut.
Final blending for a consistent flavor.
High-tech scanning ensures ultimate purity.
Moisture levels strictly controlled, piling up mountains of flavor.
Finely milled and ready to be packed.
Sealed into our signature green foil bags.
Final quality checks under bright lights.
Stamped for freshness, ready for your shelf.
Packed in cartons and ready to ship worldwide.
Robotics handle our massive daily inventory with ease.
The ultimate durian experience. Tracked, and delivered to you.